The phrase we are learning today is 新能源, new energy. The character 新 means new, 能 means energy, and 源 means source. Together, 新能源 refers to recently developed new sources of energy that are considered cleaner, more sustainable, and environmentally friendly compared to traditional fossil fuels. Energy is at the heart of the climate challenge. Fossil fuels are by far the largest contributor to global climate change, accounting for over 75% of global greenhouse gas emissions and nearly 90% of all carbon dioxide emissions. 新能源的开发和利用对改善环境有积极影响。The development and utilization of new energy have a positive impact on improving the environment. Therefore, 要把促进新能源和清洁能源发展放在更加突出的位置。We will give higher priority to new energy and clean energy. Take vehicles as an example. China rolled out its first new energy vehicle development plan in 2008. The country's policymakers at both central and local levels have since provided consistent and solid support for the development of the sector. As of the end of September, the number of registered new energy vehicles in China reached 18 million. According to reports, 全球新能源汽车一半以上行驶在中国。Over half of the world's new energy vehicles run in China. Now, new energy vehicles are closely related to people's daily travels, as they help reduce the overall carbon footprint significantly compared to conventional vehicles. The widespread adoption of new energy vehicles brings a promising prospect for mitigating climate change. 新能源 new energy 你学会了吗？